So we're doing a residential pressure washing. Residential pressure washing. This house is going on the market. Pressure washing here. We're doing our residential pressure washing. Pressure wash right up into the peak here. Got a bit of wind out here in this area, so we'll be experiencing some wind as we pressure wash it from the soffits. Right up in these gable peaks. We'll have good control as you bring the pressure washer up into these gable peaks. And a deep soffit here. Getting this house ready for the market. Pressure washing. Pressure washing here on the columns. Lighten those all up. Daystone quality. Find us on the website, geodesktop.com and thedecklight.com.